It's going.
Yo.
Damn, what's y'all doing here?
Get on that song, man. I'm trying to figure out. I don't know if you can do it. Because I don't even Drake can do that.
Tell them who I am.
J Bird, all the way live.
Who am I?
Juicyfruitt.
I'm about to show y'all how to do it. Trying not to overthink. Only 'cause I drove and I didn't have a lot to drink. You wanted blue and said we had to paint it pink, and the pieces of your hair still sitting in the sink, and you still got underwear that's sitting in the dryer. How come every time that you're suspicious I'm a liar? You stand out, I can hear you whistle in the choir, and that's the only reason you the Mrs. I admire. Damn, tell me what I'm gonna do. Just everything that I'm trying to forget is on you, and me and all your main girls get along too. I would take my last dollar out and bet it on you, but you see the same one I'm missing. It's basically the deepest I became something different. It's just if you remember me before this, we would be the same, baby. Then we'd be for sure.
When you can manage your feelings, when you feel your reserve, buddy. Oh my God, time has changed, and you know I'm willing. Can you see how my heart is bleeding? I guess.
Oh, is it like that? Oh. Leave the first one was better.